Wake up, wake up, wake up. What time is it? Shout out time. Today, my daughter is shouting out the channels that inspired her to do these toppers. I hope you go and check both these channels out. They're awesome DIY channels and share so many great tips on how to do all kinds of inspirational videos and, of course, how to do these toppers. But they do more than this, so make sure you go check them out. They're awesome channels, and my daughter loves them so. And I know you're going to enjoy them too. It has inspired her to get out of her comfort zone and make some beautiful things like these toppers. Didn't my daughter do a beautiful job on these toppers? I thought they were just gorgeous. And look at how everything turned out. She really loves it and she's great. Now this is the first one, the shout outs for Joanne is a wonderful creative channel, has all kinds of wonderful DIY projects to share with you and how she makes it from front to back. And she is just wonderful on how she explains everything she does. And she has so many inspirational projects. Just look at all the things she's done on her channel. There's just so much to enjoy. Please go check out her channel and let her know that Debbie and Grandma Sandy sent you over. We want everyone to know how much we love them. And the other great channel that really helped her a lot with these beautiful toppers is Peep This You All. Oh my gosh, she's such a cute channel and has so many great ideas. Debbie's learned so much about faux food also from this channel. She loves doing stuff like this. And these are channels that my daughter loves to watch, and you know she loves doing faux food. We have so much fake food on our channel if you haven't noticed. And here's some more of those hot chocolate DIYs. Look how she made them. Aren't they beautiful? And she made them on a budget. You don't have to spend a fortune to make something this cute. Make sure you go check out this channel. You're going to see all the great things she's made when it comes from making faux waffles, cookies, and toppers. Oh my gosh, she has so many creative ideas on faux food. I know you're going to enjoy it so much. You need to go find out how to put all this together. It really helps keeping the cost down and making your tablescapes look a little nicer. You have a little food on there, but you didn't have to buy anything. You made it. My daughter buys a lot of her supplies from this outlet, so please go check it out. She said they're really great, reasonable on their prices, and right now they have a 10% discount. And if you order $35, free shipping on top of that. Oh my gosh, don't forget that savings of 10% on a $60 order and free shipping after $35. Just look at all the wonderful things she has to sell and how beautiful they are. Didn't she do a beautiful job on what you can pick up from her for the toppers?